How frequently should I review my asset allocation? To help you gain more insights on asset allocation review, we have our financial expert Usha Nair with us. Usha, could you please provide us an in-depth understanding on asset allocation review?
I think asset allocation reviewed on an annual basis is a fairly good way to do that. You don't have to change it. Like, for example, if I start my asset allocation with 50-50, and suppose at the end of the year it has become 52 and 48, I don't think I need to redo that. That is just an awareness 5%. So you can always keep a buffer of a difference of 10%. That means 20% on my starting number. 50% if I started 20, when I say 20% of 50, that is 10%. So if my asset allocation has become 60 in one and 40 in another, then maybe a rebalancing is something that is useful for you, because asset rebalancing also costs you tax costs. When I sell something and buy something else, there is tax implication, which impacts your return expectations and the final return that you make. But have a look every year to know, is there some a big anomaly, positive or negative, that has happened. If it is negative, that means it is an opportunity in some asset class, and which may also means there is something that has gone up. So if I'm saying I started with 50-50 and if 150 has to go to 60 only, then the other one could have come to 40. So there needs to be a review. So with your advisor, you need to have a review every year, decide to take an action only if necessary. Otherwise, if you need to do some small changes which does not cost you much, that can always be done. But if it is 52 or 51-49, just leave it and move ahead with it.
Thanks for your detailed answer. If you have any doubt regarding this or any other financial or investment decision, don't hesitate to book an appointment with our financial expert. The link to the appointment is given in the description below. And also, would you like to know more about finance and investment? Then we would recommend you to attend our live webinar. The link to the webinar is also given in the description below. The webinar is absolutely free. If you like this video, hit like, and if you are new to our channel, please do subscribe.